All right, so let's go over today's warm-up. So the first word that's highlighted is greatness. Now, great is an adjective, but greatness is the quality of being great. The quality of being great is a thing. So this is a noun. Even though great is typically an adjective, greatness is an idea. It's the quality of being great. So this is a noun. Skillful. So here we have a skillful, and use is a verb usually, but it's not the word use. No one is using anything here as the main verb in the sentence. They're talking about the use, and that is also a noun. So the word skillful here is describing the noun use. So skillful is an adjective. If you put adverb, it's because you think skillful is modifying the verb use. Skillful tells us what kind of use. Use is not use. It's not use, it's use. And we actually have two pronunciations. Use is the verb form, use is the noun form. Of is a preposition. I think it's always a preposition. This doesn't work with our practice sentence, the cat walked blank the box. Of doesn't work in that. Some prepositions you'll just have to memorize, and of is one of them. We also have to find the subject and the verb. So the verb is kind of tricky here. You may have missed it. It's right here. It's lies. So here's our verb. And the thing that lies will be our subject. The thing that lies partly in Chaucer's skillful use of language. And that is greatness, which is our subject here. Subjects have to be nouns or pronouns. You want to ignore of the Canterbury Tales when we're talking about parts of sentence. Prepositional phrases are either used as adjectives or adverbs. You were supposed to kind of go over that yesterday in the book. So this can't be a subject because this whole phrase here is an adjective, not a noun, and all subjects have to be nouns. Number 2. However, the sheer strength. Strength is a noun. Again, it's like an abstract concept like greatness. It's a quality that you may possess. And then sheer describes that strength. It tells us what kind of strength or how much strength, to what extent strength. So this is an adjective. It answers those adjectival questions and it describes a noun. Okay, so is always a verb. It's a linking verb. All right, so here we have to find two things. We have to find the subject. The subject is going to be the subject to this verb. So to find it, you have to find out what is also a contributing factor. And you might think that it's Chaucer's spirit is a contributing factor or personality, and that's not true. See, this right here is a preposition, which means it's part of a prepositional phrase that you have to ignore. Now you ignore it because this prepositional phrase works as either an adjective or an adverb. It tells us what kind of strength. It is an adjective to the actual subject, which is strength. All right, so predicate nominative is a noun after a linking verb. Unfortunately, this isn't a very concrete noun. This is a little abstract. So here we have this linking verb is. Now, I know that is a linking verb because I can replace it with equals. The sheer strength equals also a contributing factor. So to find the predicate nominative, you can ask the question who or what after the linking verb. So the sheer strength is what? And the answer is a factor. So here's our predicate nominative right there.